In this video, I'll show you how to enable autoplay videos on Facebook in just a few simple steps. Autoplay allows videos in your Facebook feed to start playing automatically as you scroll. This can make it easier to watch content without needing to tap on every video. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Now scroll down until you find the Media section. Tap on Media to open the video settings. Here you'll see the autoplay option. Tap on it, and you'll see different choices such as on mobile data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, or never autoplay videos. To enable autoplay completely, select on mobile data and Wi-Fi. After selecting it, videos in your feed will start playing automatically when you scroll past them. And that's it. That's how you can enable autoplay videos on Facebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.